If AI is so smart, why does it still exhibit racist or biased behavior at times? This can happen for a variety of reasons, but for a concrete example, let's turn to the book Unmasking AI by Dr. Joy Buolamwini for a concrete example of how this can happen. And you don't even have to open the book and start reading. You can just look at the cover and you're going to get an illustration of what can go wrong with racism and bias in AI systems. So Dr. Buolamwini was doing some research with an AI-based facial detection system, and it just wasn't working. And that can happen in software sometimes. Things have bugs; they just don't work out. But she happened to have this masquerade style white mask in her room while she was doing this research. The second she put this on with a whiter face as opposed to darker skin, the facial recognition system picked her up. So this was something that literally couldn't see her because of her skin color. Now, this wasn't necessarily an intentional design decision on the behalf of the engineers building the software. They just hadn't used inclusive practices. They hadn't trained their data set on a variety of different skin colors. So it just didn't work. So it's important to understand these considerations when you're trying to build inclusivity and responsible AI and ethical AI systems together. So if you want more on this, obviously, you can read the book Unmasking AI. It talks about this in more detail and lots of other topics. Also, check out my podcast, Talk to Me PDD, episode 9, where I do a deep dive into unmasking AI.